Hey, it's another little Wayne bite, just a little taste of this and that, and for some reason or another, February 22nd is National Margarita Day. I don't know who makes this stuff up, but I'm okay with it because I like margaritas. So I've got a really great recipe today. It's a really simple recipe, but it's one that anybody can make, and there's only 3 key ingredients, really 4, but kind of 3, and I'll tell you about that in just a second. Before we get started, just a reminder, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You get recipes, craft ideas, restaurant reviews, travel tips, and crazy videos, all in the same spot. Just click on the subscriber button and the notification bell so you always know when new videos are coming out. So first of all, my basic margarita is 3 parts. 1 part tequila, 1 part triple sec, and 1 part fresh lemon and lime juice. So it's a third, a third, a third, even though that 1/3 that's lemon and lime juice is 2 things coming together. Now before you got here, I actually squeezed a bunch of lemons and limes. Now I like to use fresh lemon juice, fresh lime juice, but the truth of the matter is if you go to the grocery store and there's a ton of lemons and limes on sale, like 5 for $1, 10 for $1, I can buy those, I'll juice those all up, and I'll just freeze them for later. But if you can use fresh lemon and lime juice, that's absolutely the best thing to do. Now before you got here, I juiced a bunch of lemons and limes here. I've got this big old bad boy and I use that quite aggressively. It's great for juicing a large quantity. There are smaller lemon and lime juicers you can get. They're very basic, but this is great if you're going to do a large volume. Anyway, so what I have here is I've got fresh lemon juice, I've got fresh lime juice, and I'm going to put those together half and half. It's going to be like, I think, about a half a cup of lemon juice and a half a cup of lime juice. So I've got a cup of a combination here of lemon and lime. That's my basics. Now what I'm going to do to make my margaritas, I'm going to use this glass. It's my favorite glass for making margaritas. I'm going to first of all put some salt on the rim. Don't have to do that if you don't want to, but I put a little lime juice on the edge there. I take my pink Himalayan salt, which is another thing I like. You can use regular salt or rock salt or whatever kind you like, but I'll spread that pink Himalayan salt out there on my plate. Spread that out, and I'll just tap that on the edge so there's a nice bit of pink Himalayan salt on the edge of my glass, which is awesome. And then I've got a big giant rocks ice tray, which makes these big giant rocks. Very cool. And I'll put those in there as well. Boom, ready to go. And then again, my combination, a third, a third, a third. I've got my little cocktail shaker here. I'm gonna put a little bit of ice in there. And I got these little guys. These are actually 2 ounces each. So I've got tequila, whichever kind of tequila you want, whatever your favorite is. I'm gonna put 2 ounces of tequila in my mixer. I'm going to put 2 ounces of triple sec in my mixer. Very simple. There. Come on, little doggy. And I'm going to put 2 ounces of my combination of lemon juice and lime juice in there. And that, seriously, that's my margarita. That's how simple it is. Now I'm going to shake that up, put it together, and pour it in my glass here. You'll see what I got going. Hold on. And you want to give it a really vigorous shake, nice and chill. When you're done, you're going to take that, pour it on top of your rock right there. Very, very basic. That is perfect. I'm going to take a little bit of a lime slice to go on top for decoration. Just like that. And that is my classic margarita. Now, a couple of variations you can do on this before I, hold on. Oh, it's good. Now a little variation on that. Sometimes I'll add a little bit of orange juice, a little bit of tiny squeeze to add a little flavor to it. And also in terms of vessels you can use, you can actually make sort of a martini version of a margarita by using a nice glass like this. You can also put it in a blender and freeze it and use one of these classic margarita glasses. Actually, I like the little rocks glass itself. I think that's the best. Anyway, folks, all the information you need on making margaritas is in the information section down below. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Also, leave me your comments. I'd love to know what you think about this segment, any segments I've done in the past, or anything you'd like to see in the future. Love to know what you guys think. Anyway, thanks for watching. Happy Margarita Day. Enjoy. Cheers. Oh, that's good.